Welcome to Charts from the Media. Today is October 27th, 2013. We will be looking at Microsoft. We'll be taking an investor's view, not a day trader's view. The charts we'll take a peek at are the weekly chart with the support areas, a daily chart looking at cycles and activity around earnings announcements, and then the point and figure chart. So why would you want to own Microsoft? Well, over 4,000 mutual funds and 2,300 institutions hold Microsoft. It pays over a 3% dividend. Jefferies recently upgraded the stock from a hold to a buy. It just beat estimates, and there's talk of a new CEO and possibly splitting of the company. The cons? Well, PC sales are declining. A new CEO could lower guidance, and changes with the new CEO could take a while, and there's low product innovation. The analysts that were discussing Microsoft last week on TV definitely had differing opinions. Some thought it was dead money, some liked just collecting the dividend, and some thought that about the 31 level was a pretty good support. So what do the charts look like? Here's a weekly chart from 2009. It definitely shows that support right around the 31 area. Last week, it went up and touched that $36 mark. The oscillators, however, are not making newer highs with the new price high, so this is not consistent. You may be looking at that 36 level might be some type of resistance. The daily chart is a little more interesting on Microsoft. The cycles are right around where earnings announcements have been. So if you go back, you can see quite a bit of activity around earning announcements. Well, we can take that knowledge and know that there's volatility around earning announcements and they can be potential buy or sell areas. So we'd want to watch supports and use limit orders for entry and exit. Watch where the oscillators are compared to highs in stock for taking profit areas. Well, right up here at this 36, this would also be considered a double top. So we'd want to look to see if it would break that or if it's going to use that as a resistance. Where would we ideally like to get into the stock would be right around the $31 mark. However, if you were anxious, right around that $32.50 has also been used as a support and resistance in the past. The point and figure chart had a bullish price objective of $30.50 that has been met. Up here at 36, that would be your double top there. If it prints 37, that would be bullish. Or again, we could come back down here and look at that 31 level, 32 level for a support. One of the TV pros from last week was discussing how if you own Microsoft, you really wouldn't get crushed. It has a dividend. So many institutions, mutual funds hold it. So that is just something to take into consideration if you're looking to hold this for the long term. If you're looking to short the stock or buy puts on it, you also want to consider who owns it and why, because large institutions and mutual fund managers, they don't get out of a stock overnight. Thanks for watching. Visit chartsfromthemedia.com for definitions, learning tools, videos, and more.